Now the issues that might be with this plane is the right back tire is cracked. So we'll see if there's any issues that come about with that.
Shit, there's something wrong.
What? Really?
Yeah.
Seriously?
Yeah.
How can you tell? Can you get down?
This is bad. This is real bad.
Can you get it down?
I'll try.
Try not to hit him. How can you tell there's no ailerons?
Because I'm not able to bank it.
Ooh, you gotta get it home. Oh, I could see it. That's not good. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, uh-oh, uh-oh. Not good, not good, not good, not good. Not good, not good. Oh, major bummer. Oh my. It looks like it's dead. I don't think there's anything coming back from this. Uh-oh, that's too bad. Wow. Aww. Yeah. That's a bad crash. You know what's bad is I also forgot the trash bags. But I think I have little guys, little trash bags I can get. Oh. Where's the nose? The nose is totally gone.
Right there.
Okay, so here's the plane. The main part of the crash, I guess. So now we gotta find where the pilots are. There's the pilot.
Back to the plane. Well, you could stand up.
Oh. Anyway, there's the plane. There's the skeleton. Now, even after the skeleton, there are little kids riding in the gunner area. We're walking even further south. And we're finding little pieces. Where is it? There it is. Little battery boxes. And I'm gonna go some more south. Another battery box right there. And keep looking, we're looking. Oh look, what's over here? There's the two little kids that were in the front. Way over here. The perspective of that is yeah, see that? The little kids are here. And the plane's way over there. Look at that. Hello. Hello. So, there we go. Now little kids can see where they landed. Alrighty. Now we have to clean everything up.